got a woofy dog. All right. So just so I don't accidentally delete anything off the board, we got 4 minus 12r plus 9r squared equals 4 minus 4r.
Alright.
Okay. So 4 minus 12r plus 9r squared, 4 minus 4r. Okay. So, should have written it down at the bottom. 4 minus 12r plus 9r squared equals 4 minus 4r. Right, what are we going to do with that?
Well, we can... Let's see. So we can subtract away the 4's from both sides.
Okay. So both sides have a 4, so that makes our life pretty easy.
Both sides have negative 4r.
You can add 4r to both sides.
Alright, and what do I get?
So you get negative 8r plus 9r squared equals 0.
Now how do we solve an equation like this?
Well,
Do you know?
you could bring the 8r over to this side.
Okay, that would be one way to do it. What's another way?
There are 2 solutions to this equation. One of them is 0, but
Okay.
that's not going to work here because we know this distance.
Yeah, that's true,
it's a
but how do I
distance.
solve an equation like
Well, you can divide both sides by r. Well, you just divide and then move this to the other side.
Okay. Another way to do it, and this would be this is an important idea, is you want to factor. Okay. So you want to factor out an r, which is what you're saying when you divide
Yeah.
out by r. But factor out that r, and I'm left with this is r because both expressions have a r in them,
So it's
times negative 8 plus 9r
r equals 0.
0. And the reason this is an important idea, the reason factoring is an important idea, is when I have a product of 2 numbers equaling 0, what does that mean?
Well, one of them has to be 0.
One of them has to be 0. So either this is 0 or this is 0, or both of them are 0. What does it mean for r if this one's 0?
Well, r is 0.
R equals 0. Does that make sense for the radius of our
No.
No.
circles? Okay.
This one has to be 0.
So we would reject that solution. What about this one? What does it mean if r equals 0 here?
Well, it means-
or sorry, this negative 8 plus 9r equals 0.
It means 9r has to be 8.
All right.
So r has to be 8/9.
R has to be 8/9. Okay. So we have a value for r. And let's see what this says.
Alright.
Let's go back to our picture.